Hello students, let us continue with chapter 3, reported speech. In my last video, I defined direct and indirect narration. I discussed how to identify reporting verb and reported speech. We also discussed that say to is changed into tell, says to is changed into tells, and said to is changed into told. We also discussed that if reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of reported speech does not change. Now we are going to discuss if reporting verb is in past, then the tense of reported speech is changed. If the reporting verb is in the past, the tense of the verb in the reported speech must be changed into the corresponding past tense. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the tenses in reported speech are changed. Okay, how? Let me tell you. We discussed the same in our last class, but it is very important, so I am going to revise once again. Okay, simple present if reporting verb is in past, then the tenses of reported speech are changed as follows. Simple present changed into simple past. Simple present changed into simple past. Present continuous, is changed and UOUS continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Okay, present simple present is changed into simple past. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present perfect is changed into past perfect. Present perfect is changed into past perfect, and present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Okay, simple past changed into past perfect. Okay. Past continuous changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect past continuous past past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Okay. Past perfect and past perfect continuous, they don't change. Okay, they remain the same. Past perfect and past perfect continuous, they don't change, they remain the same. Will changed into would, while shall changed into should. Will changed into would and shall changed into should. Okay. Can changed into could, may changed into might, may changed into might. All present modal auxiliaries are changed into their past form. All present modal auxiliaries are changed into their past. Okay. Now let us understand them in a better way with the help of the given examples. Example 1. I said I'm speaking the truth. So here I said, so reporting verb said tells us that it is in past tense. So if reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech are changed. as we have just discussed. Okay, so it is in past. So now we need to change the tense of reported speech. The part which has been written within double inverted comma, it is reported speech, and this part said is reporting verb. So if reporting verb is in past, then the tenses of reported speech are changed. So let us change this direct narration into indirect narration. I said I'm speaking the truth. So I said that. So it is I'm speaking the truth. It is present continuous and it will be changed into past continuous. I said that I was speaking the truth. Next. The teacher said boys fail because they do not study regularly. So teacher said. So reporting verb said is in past. So we are going to change the tense of reported speech. Reported speech is that part of statement which has been written within double inverted comma. So boys fail because they do not study regularly. So it is in simple present tense. Okay, so it will be changed into simple past tense. So the teacher said that the boys failed because they did not study regularly. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. Yes, the future tense and the modals of the reported speech are changed as under. So we have already discussed future tense. Future tense means will, shall. Okay, will is changed into would, while shall is changed into should. Present modals can, may, they are changed into past modals can, could. Past modals no change. Past modals are not changed. Example 1. Let us understand it better with the help of these examples. Direct, he said, I can solve this sum. In indirect, so said shows that it is in past. So in indirect, he said that he could solve that sum. Can is changed into could, and here I also changed into he. So regarding changes in pronoun, we will study further. Okay, we are also in this video we will learn how to change pronouns. Second, Raju said to me he will not go to school on 21st October. So said to change into told. So Raju told me that he would not go to school on 21st October. Okay students, so here you can see that reporting verb is in past, so that is why will is changed into would. Yes, exceptions. Just now we have discussed that if reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of the verb in reported speech are, the tenses of the verb in reported speech are changed. But there are some exceptions. Exceptions means there are some conditions in which we don't follow the rule which we have just discussed. There are some exceptions. So let us go through those exceptions. If there is a universal truth or habitual fact in the reported speech, then the tense of the verb is never changed. Okay? If there is universal truth or habitual fact in the reported speech, the tense of the verb is never changed. Second, the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change if the reported speech states a past historical fact. The second exception is second case in which we don't change tenses in reported speech if the tense of verb in the reported speech the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change if the reported speech states a past historical fact. Third exception, if two such actions are given in the reported speech which take place at the same time, the past indefinite or past continuous tense does not change. So these three rules are very important. These are exceptions of that rule which we have just discussed. Okay, so let us go through some examples of exceptions. Direct, he said face is the index of mind. So it is a proverbial truth. He said face is the index of mind. It is a proverbial truth. So as we have discussed, these are the conditions in which even though reporting verb is in past, we need not change the tense of reported speech. Indirect, he said that face is the index of mind. So here you can see that tense remains the same. It does not change because it is an proverbial truth. Second one, he said India became free on 15th August 1947. It is also a historical fact. So in historical fact, we are not going to change the tense of reported speech. So he said that India became free on 15th August 1947. So students, in example 1 and example 2, you can see that the first one is proverbial truth, the second one is historical fact. So according to the rule which we have studied under exceptions, we are not going to change the tenses of reported speech even though reporting verb is in past tense. Okay. Next example, he said Mohan was singing a song while Gopal was playing on a flute. He said Mohan was singing a song while Gopal was playing a flute. So here students, two actions in the same tense. So in the third rule of exceptions, we discussed that if two such actions are given in the reported speech which take place at the same time, the past indefinite or continuous tense, they don't change. So here you can see that he said Mohan was singing a song while Gopal was playing on flute. So here Mohan's singing and Gopal's playing flute was going on together in past tense. Okay. So two actions in the same tense. So that is why the tense of reported speech will not be changed. He said that Mohan was singing a song while Gopal was playing on a flute. Okay. So now we are going to learn rules for the change of pronoun. Earlier we have discussed rules regarding changes in tenses. So now we are going to discuss rules regarding changes in pronouns. How we change the pronoun. Okay, we are going to discuss. Students, in reported speech, personal pronouns are changed, and personal pronouns are of three types: first person pronouns, second person pronouns, and third person pronouns. Okay, so I, me, let me write here, I, me, my, mine, we, our, ours, etc. They are the pronouns of first person. Okay, I, me, my, mine, we, our, ours, etc. They are the pronouns of first person. So the pronouns which refers the speakers, I, me, my, mine, our, ours, they are the pronouns of first person. Okay. Now let us discuss pronouns of second person. You, your, yours, they are the pronouns of second person. You, your, yours, they are the pronouns of second person. Pronouns of third person: he, she, it, they, their, theirs, etc. They are the pronouns of third persons. Okay. So students, we change pronouns of reported speech. So here all these pronouns of first persons, second persons, and third person will be changed in reported speech. Not reporting verb. We are not going to change the pronouns in reporting verb. They will be changed in reported speech. first pronouns of first person I, me, my, mine, we, our, ours, they are changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So pronouns of first person in reported speech are changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So here one thing you must know beta. So changes in pronouns of reported speech will take place according to the subject of reporting verb. So pronouns will be changed into reported speech but according to reporting verb. Now pronouns of second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Pronouns of third person will not be changed. So that is why this is very simple formula to learn regarding changes in pronoun. 1, 2, 3 upon SON. Okay, it is very easy formula to learn regarding changes in pronoun. All the changes will take place in reported speech but according to reporting verb. So you must remember this formula 1, 2, 3 upon SON. Okay. So with the help of this formula easy you can come to know which pronoun will be changed according to which part of sentence. As pronouns of first person will be changed according to the subject. Pronouns of second person will be changed according to object. O stands for object, and pronouns of third person will not be changed. N stands for no change. Okay. Pronouns of first person in reported speech will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Pronouns of second person of reported speech will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Pronouns of third person will not be changed. And stands for no change. S stands for subject. O stands for object. Okay. So first person according to S, that is subject. Second person according to O, that is object. Third person according to N, that is no change. Let us go through some examples. You said to me, I did not give Sham my book. Okay. So let's change it. First, we have to check the reporting verb in which tense it is. So you said to me, so it is said to, so it is in past tense. Okay, and said to is changed into told. So that is why you told me that. So I is the pronoun of first person, and pronoun of first person is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is you, so that is why I will be changed into you. So you told me that you had not, so it is simple past tense, that is why it will be changed into past perfect tense. Okay, so now you have to change the tenses, you have to change the pronouns. Okay, you need to be very careful while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, so you told me that you had not given Sham your book. So there are two pronouns here. First one, I is the pronoun of first person, it will be changed according to you, so it will be changed into you. Second, my is also pronoun, my is also the pronoun of first person, it will also be changed into according to you, so according to you it will be changed into your. Okay, look at the second one. I said to him, you have taken your turn. So I said to him, so said to will be changed into told. You have taken your turn. So you is the pronoun of second person, and pronoun of second person are changed according to the object of reporting verb, and here object of reporting verb is him, so you will be changed according to him. Okay, so I told him that he had taken his turn. So according to him, you is changed into he, as it is present perfect tense, so it will be changed into past perfect tense. Another pronoun your, it is also the pronoun of second person, it will also be changed according to him, so that is why your is changed into his. Third example, I said he will surely drop a line in reply. I said he will surely drop a line in reply. So here said shows that it is in past, so tenses will be changed and pronouns will be changed. So let's change it into indirect. I said that. So here you can see, students, in reported speech the pronoun he is there, and the pronoun he comes under third person pronoun, and we don't change the pronouns of third person. So he will not be changed, it will remain the same. So he will surely drop a line in reply. Now, so I said that he would surely, so will be changed into would. He would, and he will remain the same because he is the pronoun of third person. Okay, I said that he would surely drop in a line in reply. Okay, so it's all about today's video. In my next video I will discuss more rules and examples of reported speech. Thank you for watching the video.